We're drinking good IPAs here in Long Beach, LBC. This is what makes LBC. Hey, reminds me of the song "Today Was a Good Day."
You gotta introduce Mo.
That's Momo. That's Chad. Oh, let's start, Chad. Bo. And that's me,
The cameraman.
the cameraman. It's downtown Long Beach.
Ghetto Bird.
The Ghetto Bird.
Here he comes. We asked him to show up.
Yeah. He wants to make sure we're drinking our beer the right way. Got Sculpin here. This. What is this one? Bigwig? Bigwig. Mango. Ooh, mango.
Best for last.
Wheat stout.
What's up, man? What's up, guys?
Self-righteous. Sublimely self-righteous. 10. Whatever this is. Twigs. Oh, and beef jerky.